is a pleasure to be here, Jay, and everybody else. I'm super excited to engage and participate in the Solid Gold Weekend. We're all going to have a great time. I have to say, I was so happy to see that Kate was also going to be sharing about presentations. And I reached out to Jay, Dr. Kate, and I said, I'm a little nervous because Kate really knows her stuff with presentations. So I said, do you want me to present on something different? He said, no, you both talk about different things. So I'm super excited about this. One of the things that I'll be sharing is how I built my hypnosis practice without spending $1 in advertising on doing presentations and stage hypnosis shows. And there is a way to turn every presentation into a powerful, profitable one, depending on what how you structure it and what you give away at the end. And it's all about the CTA, or the call to action. And I remember when I was giving free talks and free presentations to, as we talked about a little bit before, the Rotaries, the Knights of Columbus, the luncheons, the breakfast, networking groups, and I was doing them for free. And I would go and sit and I would get the free breakfast or I'd get the free lunch. And then a bank called me for what they call a lunch and learn. And they said, Dan, we have speakers come that present, and we want to bring you in to speak to our bank. And I said, okay, I can do that. And I was about to say, I'll do it for free. I do these for free. And she said, right before I said that, she said, we pay our speakers $2,500. That's what's in our budget. Is that okay for you? And I said, well, I normally charge $3,500, but I can lower it to $2,500. Sure, why not? So there's a way also that I call my booking sledgehammer, and I'm going to be giving that away to everybody who presents at Solid Gold. And the booking sledgehammer is a way that you can take a free booking and make it into a paid booking very, very easily. I'm also going to be sharing, as I said, it's all about the CTA. What to do at the end of your presentation to make sure people walk away, not just with your business card, because everybody's going to ask for your business card. Many people are going to crumple it up and put it in their pocket and never look at it again. So it's, what do you give away and what do you do, and how do you, in a way, use persuasive communication to get people to act even after the presentation, to make sure they still stay engaged, and how to essentially do a mini stage show without knowing anything about stage hypnosis. So that's what I'll be sharing in my powerful, profitable presentations at Solid Gold. And look, I'm not just a presenter, I'm also an attendee. I can't wait to sit back and learn as well. I'm super excited to be there and super excited to learn from everybody on the panel too.